So since the pandemic, I've tried to find different ways where I can help small businesses, and since I'm a photographer but I can't leave the house, I just put out a little message on Instagram just basically saying, hey, if anybody is looking for any fresh content, I'd be happy to help. I would love to photograph your work. If you send me a box with some products and let me know a little bit about your business, I would love to do some fresh content for you. So far I received one box from Elite Secrets Bridal, which is a bridal shop in downtown Baltimore. Black owned, women owned, double minority owned, and she sent me a box of beautiful things like veils and accessories, like bridal accessories. And so I went to Target and I bought a few things. I'll show it to you, just like for some details. I'm gonna do some flat lays, and we'll see how they come out. Oh, and also while I'm doing this, I'm gonna TikTok about it. And those TikToks are gonna be on Instagram as well. So I'll walk you through that whole process with me. All right, hold on. Okay, so last week I did a video, a crash course on how to do TikTok. And since I'm about to do a TikTok, I figured why not do one and show you how I do it step by step. So right now I already have my scene set. And I did a TikTok earlier, but now I want to do an informative TikTok of how to shoot detail shots, like maybe how to shoot sharp detail shots. Like I'll try to narrow it down, like to be more specific. So I think I'm gonna name it how to create sharp detail shots, and I'm gonna do this relatively fast because I don't know how long the baby has and dog, and yeah, I'll screenshot. I'll just step all over me. It's fine, whatever. So let's do it. I'll start screen recording now. And so you see, this is my profile. This is my profile on TikTok. I already picked out my song, and I saved it, so it's in my saved songs. This one. I press that little red button, and now I'm gonna set my timer. Choose a part in the song where stop. 2.8 seconds. That's good enough. All right. And let me see, where would be a good place to put this? Here. I've got my tripod here. Gonna put my phone on the tripod. Lock it in place. Fix that, and let me fix this so you can see kind of what I'm doing. So here's my phone on the tripod, and I have my scene already. I showed you guys that, and now I'm just gonna, dog hair goes everywhere in this house, so yeah, that's a thing. So this is just gonna style these details really fast. Formalities. So the first thing I'm gonna do is show the lens that I'll be shooting with, which is the Canon 100 macro. This is what I shoot all my ring shots on, and this is what I'm gonna show people. So we'll start with this. Gonna put it here. I have the timer. Actually, let me make sure. See, this is where I always mess up. It needs to be, you see down here at the bottom where it says 15 or 60 seconds? It needs to be on 60 seconds. If the music is long enough. So, and this song that I'm using is 57 seconds. So that's an important first step, because if you don't do that, you can't go back after shooting and elongate it. What do we say? Let me see. Maybe around 4.8. It's hard seeing at this angle too. little bit earlier. Right there? Okay, that's good enough. Alright, so show off the lens. Oh, I should have put that on 3 seconds. But that's how it looks. And then see at the blue at the top of the screen, that's what we recorded, and then we have some more to go. Oh my goodness. Alright, so then my next scene is going to be me changing lenses. Focus. I'm going to put my macro lens on. Would be nice if I could get it on there. So if you ever need to look and see what it looks like, just press that red check at the bottom and you can see how it's moving along. Alright, so I'm going to work on this, and I don't want to take up too much time, so you see how I just wanted to show you guys really quick how to make those cuts. Okay, I just finished my TikTok. Everything is synced together, and I'm finishing up putting the last bit of words on there. So once your TikTok is done and you want to add any text, you can go down to that bottom part where it says text, and you'll have the option to text here, and you can change the font, you can change the color, and you can also change and make sure if it has a background or not. So those are just the options. I'm not gonna do that. I already have everything that I want. So when I do add text, I usually add a lot, and I text it all first. Like I put all the text up on the screen, and then I choose the duration of when I want to do it. So to change your duration, you click that that text and click the option that says set duration. And then you can choose by dragging your this little red bracket over, and you can choose where you put that those words. So now I'm trying to figure out, where do I want to put it? I'm gonna put it right here. Find a clean and unique backdrop. That's this. And then you drag this other one to show where it will end. Clean and unique backdrop. You set this. I'm gonna have to change such to right there. So that's changed. So this is what my video looks like so far. Here's the music I chose. I'm not gonna play it because I don't want to have like a copyright infringement or whatever. But you can see it on my TikTok. And I tried to make this informative and helpful. And I'm just gonna drag that over. There we go. And I think that's it. I've got everything where I want it to be. If I want to, I can put in a filter. It's best to just find the right lighting, because putting a filter on, it's always like, I'm not crazy about it. So I'm just not gonna do it. I'm gonna go to next, select my cover. What do I want the cover of this to look like? I think I'm gonna have me doing that, and press this little check. Now that's like that, and now I get to describe what this is, and it is how to shoot crisp details. And then I can add hashtags by clicking that. Let's see, I'm a female photographer. These are all hashtags that I've used before. Now when you press that hashtag button at the top, it'll show you what's trending, what's hot right now, and if you use that, you're more likely to end up on the For You page, which is what everybody will see. So once you hit on the For You page, more people who aren't your friends will see those videos and potentially want to follow you depending on if they liked your content or not. So I'll throw a few of them in there, but I like to stick to my originals, and also stuff that pertains to this specific video. Content creator. Let me see. Macro shots. Macro shot. Wedding photographer. All right, and we've reached our max, and I'm gonna post. So it is gonna post to here. This is the video I did earlier today. And so that's 2 TikToks in one day. So for TikTok, the algorithm is if you do 3 TikToks a day, you're more likely to show up on their algorithm. And so that's always kind of like the goal with TikTok, is to try to do at least 3 a day. And not just anything, just like try to make your content good, because the better your content is, the more likely your followers are going to be happy that they follow you, and maybe even you know, suggest that other people follow you. It's how we build our community. So now that it's saved, it's up there. We'll see how well it does. And let me see. Now that that's on TikTok, I'm gonna go to my Instagram, and then I click it, and see, now it's in my Instagram stories. And I am gonna tag that small business owner who lended me the products. Thank you, Elite Secrets Bridal. And I'm gonna copy that, and since it's longer than 15 seconds each, it'll show up as 3 different stories, which is okay. Thank you. 3 different times to say thank you. And I know the owner, she is gonna love this, and she's probably gonna repost it so people who are on her end can see it as well. And that is how we diversify our content. Share. And it also goes on my Facebook. So now I have posted on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook in one sweep. I'm gonna stop recording. And that is that. Alright guys, I hope this video was helpful. I hope that it inspired you to get on TikTok. If you're already on TikTok, I want to see your face. So please follow me at Megapixels Media. Let's be friends. And let's work together. Remember, your small business friends need you during this time, and we're all in this together. So let's stick together, like I said. And if you love this content, I'd love for you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's quick, it's free, and I hope to see you there. Okay, have a great day. Bye.